Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by downloading the correct Zoomit installer for Windows, then run it with Administrator right so global hotkeys register. Once installed, open Settings and assign a simple hotkey, for example Ctrl+2, because complexity slows you down. Enable Live Zoom and choose annotation tools you will use most. Make sure to configure the timer and redraw key now, since these defaults control how you interact while presenting. Once done, test the hotkey quickly so you know Zoomit responds immediately. You press the hotkey to zoom into a region, then use mouse wheel or drag to position content. This lets viewers focus on a detail. While zoomed, you can annotate. Select pen or highlighter, draw arrows, underline, or circle. Press R to redraw if you need a clean slate. Use the timer shortcut to limit explanations and practice switching back to your desktop with ESC so you don't confuse the audience. Make sure to rehearse these transitions to keep your pace smooth and intentional. You finish by pressing ESC or the hotkey to return to normal view, then close Zoomit from the system tray when you're done. Remember, Zoomit does not save annotations, so capture the screen with print screen or the snip tool if you want a record before exiting. If Zoomit fails to trigger, restart the Zoomit process or reassign the hotkey because other apps often claim the same shortcut. Make sure to run Zoomit as admin if hotkeys still fail, and that resolves most conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.